Good morning, friends. This is Miss Kelly. I work at the Northwest Regional Library in Cape Coral for the Lee County Library System. Our story time today will be perfect for babies. However, if you have toddlers or preschoolers, they'll be able to join in the silly fun as well. And the great thing about our story times here in Lee County is that we make them not just for the little ones, but for you too. So please don't be afraid to join in and get silly with us today. Okay, so we need to start with our hello song. Can we get out our wiggle fingers? Perfect. Here we go. Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Well, hello, everybody. Can you wave your hands? Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Well, hello, everybody. Can you wave your hands? Wave your hands. Hooray! Great job. Okay, so before we jump into our rhymes and stories, you're going to want to grab a couple of things around your house if you have them. The first item that you're going to need is something to shake. If you don't have a shaky egg, you can use some dried rice in a Tupperware or in a bottle. Or if you have a rattle or a bell, that will work too. The second thing that you're going to want to grab is my personal favorite, bubbles. If you don't have bubbles, we'll provide you with a quick recipe here using household ingredients so that you can make your own bubbles and join in the fun with us. All right, let's get started with our story. So our story today is a story and a song. I'm going to lift it up and maybe you can help me figure out what story it is. What animals do you see on here? Yes, ducklings. What color are they? Yellow. And what sound does a duck make? Quack, quack. Good job. Well, we are going to tell our story of the 5 little ducks and we're going to sing the song. Can you sing it with me? Okay, here we go. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. How many ducks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Now how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. How many do we have left? 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Oh no, how many are left? Yes, just 1. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but no little ducks came waddling back. Oh no, where are they? Let's call them back, ready? Sad mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 and all 5 ducks came waddling back. Let's count them as they come back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All 5 ducks came waddling back. Good job! So parents, if you'd like to do a favorite story and do a retelling of it, a fun way to do it is on a felt board like this. And all it takes is a little piece of cardboard, some masking tape, a piece of felt, and you can cut out shapes from your favorite story, put a little Velcro on, and it's a really fun way to retell a favorite story and to add play into learning. All right, let's do some of our rhymes. Our first rhyme that we're going to do today is called Roll, Roll, Sugar Babies. So this is a fun one to have with your child facing you, and it's a good one to talk about opposites. Here we go. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, push and pull and clap, clap, clap. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, push and pull and clap, clap, clap. Roll up high and roll down low. Roll real fast and roll real slow. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, push and pull and clap, clap, clap. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, push and pull and clap, clap, clap. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, push and pull and clap, clap, clap. Roll up high and roll down low. Roll real fast and roll real slow. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, push and pull and clap, clap, clap. Hooray! Great job. All right, our next song is a sign language song. So we're going to do this song 2 times as well. First time, I'll go all the way through it. Second time, you can do the signs along with me. It doesn't have very many, but it's a good diaper changing song when they're sitting still for you. So it goes like this. When my diaper's on, I like it dry. And when it's wet, I get upset. When my diaper's on, I like it dry. And when it's wet, I get upset. I want it off, I cry. Please change me. Great. Okay, now join in with me the second time. Here we go. When my diaper's on, I like it dry. And when it's wet, I get upset. When my diaper's on, I like it dry. And when it's wet, I get upset. I want it off, I cry. Please change me. Hooray! Wonderful job. Okay, our next rhyme is one of my favorites, and it's a nice bouncy rhyme. So you can either bounce or jump along with me to the song. It's called Bumpy Boo. Baby goes bumpy boo, baby goes bumpy bye, baby goes bumpy bee, all on top of my knee. I bounce you to the left, I bounce you to the right, I bounce you up and down, and I bounce you out of sight. Woo! Second verse, here we go. Baby goes bumpy boo, baby goes bumpy bye, baby goes bumpy bee, all on top of my knee. I bounce you very fast, I bounce you very slow. I bounce you up and down, and back we both shall go. Woo! Great job. That's a really fun bouncy one. All right. Our next rhyme is where you're going to need to grab your item that makes a shaky sound. Can you grab that with me? Here we go. This song is called Shake It High. Okay, here we go. Shake it high and shake it low. Round and round is how we go. Shake it high and shake it low. Can you reach and touch your toes? Where's your toes? There they are. Shake it high and shake it low. Touch your shaker to your nose. Where's your nose? Shake it high and shake it low. Round and round is how we go. Yay! Okay, I'm going to put my baby down for just a moment so I can introduce you to another friend of mine. Maybe you have seen a friend like this before. It likes to climb trees, And it also likes to eat nuts like acorns. Do you think you know what it is? Oh, yes, it's my friend Squirrel. Can you say hello to Squirrel? Hello, Squirrel. He's a little bit shy. Well, Squirrel's here, and we're going to talk about all the different parts of Squirrel. So, he is what color? Gray. Yes, and he has a white belly, but his tail is a brown furry color, huh? And let's see, can you help me find Squirrel's eyes? Oh, hey, where did Squirrel's eyes go? You saw them? Where? Can you show me? There they are. There's Squirrel's eyes. Where's your eyes? There they are. How about, can we find Squirrel's nose? Where? I don't see it. Is he hiding again? Yes, he is. Squirrel, can you please show us your nose? There it is. Boop. Where's your nose? Boop. Good job. How about, where is Squirrel's tail? Where could his tail be? Squirrel, what are you doing? Oh, he's trying to find his own tail. Can we help him find it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yes. And we talked about his tail, and it feels fluffy and scruffy, and it's kind of brown. Yes. And where's your tail? What's that? Oh, no, you don't have a tail, do you? No. Who else has a tail besides a squirrel? Can you think of another animal? Oh, yes. Like a doggy, maybe? Mm-hmm. All right, let's find one more thing for our squirrel. Squirrel, are you hungry? Yes, he's very hungry. What did we say that squirrels like to eat? Oh, yes. Acorns. He has one right here. And what do you think Squirrel's going to do with his acorn? Yes, he's hungry. He's going to eat it all up. Oh, did you hear that sound? What sound does a squirrel make? Yes, he makes a chattery sound. Was that a yummy acorn, Squirrel? Oh, good. Oh, boy. Squirrel looks a little sleepy now. Do you think Squirrel needs to go take a nap? Yeah, I think so, Squirrel. So too, Squirrel. Can we say bye to our squirrel? Let him go take a nap. Bye, Squirrel. Oh, peekaboo. Peekaboo. You're so silly, Squirrel. We'll see you later. Have a good nap. Great job helping me find all those parts of our squirrel friend. Parents, if you see fun and different animals when you're out in the neighborhood or if you go to the zoo, don't be afraid to use descriptive words like fuzzy and soft and scruffy. Talk about the sounds that animals make or the colors. This gives your child a great vocabulary, and that will one day help them learn new words when they're reading on their own. All right, so now it's time for us to do another rhyme. This is one of my personal favorites. It is called Zoom Zoom. We're going to fly to the moon on this one, and it's a good counting one. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you'd like to take a trip, just climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, zoom! Let's blast off one more time. Here we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you'd like to take a trip, just climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, zoom! Wonderful job! Okay, our next one, we are going to stand up and get some wiggles out. So can you stand up with me for this one? And parents, you might relate to this one. It's called the laundry song. So we're going to learn how to do some laundry in this one. First thing you have to do, put in the clothes. Ready? Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Shake in the soap. Shake, 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 shake. Fill up the water. Ready? Now we're going to twist. Twist, twist, twist in the washing machine. Twist, twist, twist until it's clean. Spin and stop. And the water goes down. Let's do one more load. Here we go. Put in the clothes. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Shake in the soap. Shake, 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 shake. Fill up the water. Twist, twist, twist in the washing machine. Twist, twist, twist until it's clean. Spin and stop. And the water goes down. Good job. All right, so now after doing our laundry, we probably have some bubbles. Can you take out your bubbles? And we're going to do a little song about bubbles. Here we go. Can you blow some bubbles with me? Look at all those colors inside the bubbles and how they float in the air. All right, so we're going to do a call and response song. So I'm going to sing and then you repeat after me. Here we go. Hello bubbles, hello bubbles, come and land, right in the middle of my hand, Great job. We love bubbles. And bubbles are actually a good way for babies to strengthen their vision as they track the bubbles through the air. Okay, now it is time to find someone to snuggle up with and give a big hug to. And we're going to sing our lullaby together. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Hooray! The last song we have to do is our goodbye song. So can we get out our wiggle fingers one more time? Here we go. Well, goodbye, everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Well, goodbye, everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Well, goodbye, everybody. Can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Well, goodbye, everybody. Can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Well, goodbye, everybody. Can you wave your hands? Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Well, goodbye, everybody. Can you wave your hands? Wave your hands. Great job! Thank you for joining me for Storytime today. If you'd like more ideas, activities, and videos, you can always check us out on our website, www.leelibrary.net. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram, and we have tons of resources and all kinds of activities to share with you on all of our platforms. So we hope we will see you again next week. Bye. Have a great day.